Hey guys, the quiz starts at about 2 minutes and 5 seconds if you want to skip the how-to intro. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be looking at warning and construction signs. Don't get fooled by the background. This YouTube video that's showing in the background is all of regulatory signs. All I want to show you is, if you don't want to hear me read through the signs, just slide the volume all the way down. In terms of the playback speed of this video, I want you to get the most possible out of this video and to be as efficient for yourself as possible. So what it is set to is every question is a 20-second reveal, whereas the answers are a 10-second reveal. You might find this too fast or too slow. You can always go to the settings and increase the playback speed to shorten the questions. Or you can lower the playback speed to increase the amount of time that you have with each section. Of course, you can always go back in and change it once again if you find it too fast or too slow. Most people don't alter the playback speed. What they choose to do is they will forward key 5 seconds. On your phone, it'll be 10 seconds. Anytime they have completed a question before the slide has changed. Do keep in mind that pausing and rewinding are both possibilities when necessary. When taking this quiz, some people use a paper and pen and they mark down, did I choose A, B, C, or D? Then the answer reveals itself. Some people just choose to do the quiz in their head. Whatever you choose to do, good luck. Let's get right into it. Everything you need to know about warning and construction signs. Very sharp right turn ahead. Right curve ahead. All traffic must turn right. This lane of traffic must turn right. Very sharp right turn ahead. This lane of traffic must turn right. All traffic must turn right. Right curve ahead, 40 kilometers an hour. Sharp right turn ahead, 40 kilometers an hour. Right curve ahead, 40 kilometers an hour. Pedestrian crosswalk. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Playground, playground ahead. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Road slippery when wet. Winding road ahead. Right and left curve ahead. Bump ahead. Winding road ahead. Municipal road ends. Urban road ends. Road ends, exit right or left. Do not enter. Road ends, exit right or left. Construction ahead. Flag person ahead. Winding road ahead. Bump ahead. Bump ahead. Steep hill ahead. Truck route. Trucks entering on the right. No trucks allowed. Steep hill ahead. Divided highway ends ahead. Road ends. Road begins. Divided highway begins ahead. Divided highway begins ahead. Divided highway begins ahead. Road begins. Divided highway ends ahead. Median ahead. Divided highway ends ahead. Two-way traffic ahead. Two-way traffic. Passing permitted. Keep right of this sign. Two-way traffic ahead. Left lane ends ahead. Right lane ends ahead. Reserved lane ahead. Narrow roadway ahead. Right lane ends ahead. Left lane reserved ahead. Left lane narrows ahead. Left lane ends ahead. Right lane ends ahead. Left lane ends ahead. A yield. Merging roadways ahead. Divided highway begins ahead. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Merging roadways ahead. Railway crossing. Hidden intersection ahead. Railway crossing ahead. No turns allowed. Hidden intersection ahead. Bridge ices. Road slippery when wet. Road slippery when cold. Road slippery when cold and wet. Bridge ices. Narrow roadway ahead. No shoulder. Low structure clearance ahead. Narrow bridge ahead. Narrow bridge ahead. Stop sign. Do not stop to wait. Stop ahead. Traffic signals ahead. Stop ahead. Stop ahead. Traffic signals ahead. Left turn arrow. Transit priority signal. Traffic signals ahead. Playground ahead. School area. School crosswalk. Pedestrian crosswalk. Playground ahead. Deer crossing ahead. Wildlife preservation ahead. Wildlife preservation. Deer crosswalk. Deer crossing ahead. Winding road ahead. Bridge subject to icing. Hazard marker. Road slippery when wet. Road slippery when wet. Clockwise circle ahead. Traffic circle ahead. Roundabout ahead. Counterclockwise circle ahead. Roundabout ahead. School crosswalk. Pedestrian crosswalk. Playground ahead. School area. School area. I yield. Slow-moving vehicle. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Keep right of this sign. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Narrow road ahead. Narrow bridge ahead. Reserved bus lane ahead. Low structure clearance ahead. Low structure clearance ahead. Right curve ahead. Right turn ahead. All traffic must turn right. This lane of traffic must turn right. Right curve ahead. School crosswalk. School crosswalk ahead. Pedestrian crosswalk. No pedestrians allowed. School crosswalk ahead. Cul-de-sac ahead. Roundabout ahead. Traffic island ahead. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Traffic island ahead. Hidden intersection ahead. School bus crossing ahead. Railway crossing. Railway crossing advanced warning. Railway crossing advanced warning. Pavement begins. Pavement ends. Roadway ends. Two-way traffic ahead. Pavement ends. Maximum recommended speed on exit 40 kilometers an hour. Maximum speed 40 kilometers an hour. Construction zone, road work. Maximum speed on exit 40 kilometers an hour. Maximum speed. Maximum speed ahead. Maximum speed on weekdays. Maximum speed ahead 60 kilometers an hour. Maximum speed ahead 60 kilometers an hour. Reserved bus lane ahead. Bus route. No buses allowed. Slow-moving vehicle. Reserved bus lane ahead. Reserved lane. Enter in the lane nearest the curb. Reserved lane. Enter in the second lane from the curb. Do not enter. Transit priority signal. Reserved lane. Enter in the second lane from the curb. Transit priority signal. Do not enter. Reserved lane. Enter in the lane nearest the curb. Reserved lane. Enter in the second lane from the curb. Reserved lane. Enter in the lane nearest the curb. Prepare to stop when red light flashes. Stop ahead. All traffic must go straight. Prepare to stop when amber light flashes. Prepare to stop when amber light flashes. Stop ahead. Railway crossing ahead. Guarded crossing ahead. Railway crossing. Railway crossing. Sharrow lane. Bicycle lane. With flow reserved lane. Contraflow reserved lane. Sharrow lane. Bicycle crosswalk. Bicycle lane. With flow reserved lane. Contraflow lane reserved lane. Bicycle lane. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Traffic signals ahead. Traffic signals. Overhead wires. Overhead wires. Roadwork. Playground ahead. Flag person ahead. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. Flag person ahead. Bump. Bump ahead. Excavation area. Pavement edge drop off. Pavement edge drop off. Roadwork. Flag person ahead. Excavation area. Playground ahead. Roadwork. Truck route. No trucks allowed. Trucks entering on the left. Trucks entering on the right. Trucks entering on the right. Falling rocks. Flying stones. Do not enter. Hazard marker showing an obstruction. Flying stones. Designated construction zone, speed fines doubled. Road work, designated construction zone, speed fines reduced. Designated construction zone, speed fines enforced. Designated construction zone, speed fines doubled. Road work, detour. Detour ahead, construction area. Detour ahead. Road work. Part of the roadway has been removed. Pavement ends. Construction area. Part of the roadway has been removed. Barricade. Obstruction ahead. Barricade ahead. Hazard marker. Barricade ahead. Pilot vehicle, slow-moving vehicle, truck route. No trucks allowed. Pilot vehicle. That concludes our quiz on warning and construction signs. I hope it went very well for you. Be sure to look over any errors you may have made. Keep in mind, for the students that I teach, a 50% mark would be a fail and hold you back from getting your license. We must achieve a minimum of 80%. This quiz is a very clear marker as to how prepared you would be for an actual test. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you know anyone who would benefit from this material, please do share it with them. If you're at an age where many of your peers are about to take these types of tests, share on your socials. It's a great feeling to see the comments of people who benefited from this material. Even better when they come back again and let me know they passed the real deal. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and we'll catch you in the next video.